Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana is currently following through on my TA from earlier today. That's why there is a second video, because we have some movement in the market and we have nearly come down to the level of the June low. Yeah, if I zoom out a little bit before we really get into the TA, we can see that the June low was at just below $26. It was made here, I think, on the 13th, 14th of June. And we've come today to just below 27. So $1 missing, and we're going to make a new low, which I said in the last few weeks. I think this is where Solana is going to head, especially from the moment on when it broke below the $30 level. That was a very important level. Yeah, very important level. And Solana was not able to hold it. And then we came down further here. Yeah, came down, said when we moved up here that there will probably be another low. Of course, not guaranteed, but there will probably be another low, and we made a lower high. And as long as we are, in this pattern, you're not breaking out, right? As long as you're not broken out, the idea is we will make new lows here, which we are doing at the moment. So this should not really surprise anyone who's been watching the videos over the last few days and weeks. And what are now the next support levels? I think that is the question. In the previous video, we talked about the potential that, yeah, this is a wave 5 to the downside. This is the wave that could end the bear market. It could end the bear market. Now, yeah, as I said, it's a bit optimistic, but it is true. Based on the wave counts, it could end the bear market. Now, I'm not telling you it will. It can cascade further down, but we have here a possible wave 1, a wave 2, this as a 3, there will be a 4 and a 5. And that would complete then the wave 5 here, and all the other waves which are to follow, which I need to move across. Do that later today. But the point is, this could evolve into a 5-wave move down. And if I now measure the target for this overall 5-wave structure to finish. So first of all, we've now reached an ideal target for a wave 3. So that's the 1.618 extension. We've come down a bit lower. So at any moment, I would expect here a little bit of a wave 4 retracement, probably only a shallow one, before we then have another sell-off. And that could really take us down below the June low, which is highly interesting. That's why I make this video. Ideal target here, first of all, sort of $25 is a key support level. That will be the 2.618 extension. But at the moment I can't specify that further because I don't know where the wave 4 will end. I don't know. I have no sign of a bottom in place here for the wave 3 yet. So I can more clearly specify the wave 5 low if I get a wave 4, and then I can take the wave length, the length of the wave 1, and measure based on that the length of the wave 5. But we haven't seen the wave 4 yet. So at the moment I'm just, textbook target is usually sort of the 2.618 extension. But as you can see, the wave 3 is already coming down lower than the 1.618 extension, which would be at $27.49, but we've already come down to $27, so actually just below that. So we might end down a little bit lower, which then adds to my previous videos where I talked about the potential for Solana to retest the level between $22 and $19, which is the low, this area. Those lows from May, June 21. So this is now really, really interesting. In the end, it is good for Solana to make another low from the point of view that the structure that we built here did not really give confidence to build a new all-time high on. So if we then make a new low below the low from June, this gives the chart a new chance to start moving properly and build a new foundation. On the other hand, it's not so good because with a move below $30, we have dropped below the 88.7% fib level. So that's a key level as well for Solana, and any coin that drops below that level needs to try to get back above that level as soon as possible, because it is not good for the coin, it's not good for the sentiment. But yeah, at the moment I don't see a confirmed bottom yet, and I will keep you updated about Solana. Okay? So that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.